Welcome to the course of flexible AC transmission systems. In the previous class, we discussed about the operation of GCSC. In continuous with GCSC, today during the negative off cycle, how the voltage across the capacitor changes with respect to the current. So here in the GCSC, it is a series compensator. We know that in the series compensation, the reference value is the current, therefore it is taken as a system current, that is the which system, that the power system current, that is the line current at the reference I, and during that it should be turned off at a delay angle gamma is equal to 0 when the current, line current, it reaches at peak value. Whenever the line current it reaches at the peak value, negative peak value, here during the negative off cycle, positive off cycle, the positive peak value. Whenever this current reaches the, out of this 180 degrees, this is the negative peak value. Whenever the current reaches negative peak value of current, and that the voltage across the capacitor is this one. This is the VC, voltage across the capacitor, when gamma is equal to 0. What is the meaning of gamma 0? Turn off delay angle is 0. That is the voltage across the capacitor, and the turn off delay angle is 0. So, with the help of the GTO, we can change the angle, turn off delay angle from gamma 0 to some other angle. Let us assume this gamma 0 is 2, it maintains some gamma value. Then what is the value of voltage across the capacitor? While increasing the gamma, definitely the voltage across the capacitor will be changes. Therefore, initially at the peak value of current, line current, that is the reference current, while adjusting the gamma, the voltage across can be changed. That means the entire concept of GCSC, whether it is a positive cycle, we already discussed in the previous class, or otherwise negative cycle in this class. The main thing is by adjusting the gamma, that is the turn off delay angle, with respect to the peak value of line current, the voltage across the capacitor can be changed. Similarly, if you change the gamma further, then what happened? This is the value of VC, gamma. Let us say gamma, voltage across the capacitor at gamma 1. This is gamma 1, let us say. So, while changing the gamma values from initial 0 to gamma and gamma 1, like that the voltage across capacitor values magnitude will be decreases here. So, here during this gamma period, this is also gamma, this is also gamma, and the conduction duration from here to here is ikkadi nunchi ikkadiki em untundi. So, ee cycle చూడండి, middle లో ఉన్న cycle VC of gamma, that is called zeta. What is the meaning of zeta? Because of turn off delay angle can be controlled with respect to the peak value of line current, which defines the blocking angle. That what is the gamma indicate? Turn off delay angle ante GTO turn off చేస్తున్నాం అంటే ఏంటి మీనింగ్? The meaning is we are GTO turn off చేస్తున్నట్టే ఎంతసేపు నువ్వు ఆ కెపాసిటర్లోకి కరెంట్ వెళ్లకుండా బ్లాక్ చేస్తున్నావు. దట్ ఇస్ ద బ్లాకింగ్ యాంగిల్. దట్స్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ బ్లాకింగ్ యాంగిల్. ఒకవేళ కెపాసిటర్ కరెంట్ అలౌ చేస్తే దట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ కండక్షన్ యాంగిల్, బట్ ఇస్ నాట్ అలౌయింగ్ ది కరెంట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద GTO అండ్ కెపాసిటర్ బోత్ ఆర్ ప్యారలల్ హియర్. So while GTO is off condition, the capacitor it is in the blocking state. So how much duration? Depending upon the value of turn off delay angle. Therefore, this is called zeta. That is called a blocking angle. Where zeta is the blocking angle. Zeta ne antam blocking angle. Akkada mana thyristor control reactor, in case of shunt compensation lo, alpha is the turn on delay angle, gamma is the conduction angle. But because of in that we are allowing the conduction, but here not allow the conduction. కెపాసిటర్ ఛార్జ్ అవ్వాలంటే స్విచ్ ఓపెన్ అయినప్పుడు ఛార్జ్ అవుతుంది, స్విచ్ క్లోజ్ అయినప్పుడు బైపాస్ అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి ఛార్జ్ అవ్వదు. సో ఇక్కడ మనం బైపాస్ అవ్వాలి, ఛార్జ్ అవ్వాలి కాబట్టి టర్న్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలి. అందుకోసం టర్న్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ బ్లాకింగ్ యాంగిల్ అన్నాం. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద కేస్ ఇన్ ద డ్యూరింగ్ నెగటివ్ ఆఫ్ సైకిల్. దెన్ వి గెట్ VC of omega t is equal to negative value. VC of omega t is negative. What is the value of VC of omega t in the previous class? I omega c into sin of omega t minus sin of gamma. But here negative cycle, therefore minus I by omega c into sin of omega t minus sin of gamma. This is the negative of cycle. Similarly, while changing the gamma continuously, what happened to the voltage across the capacitor? Let us assume this is the line current, system line current. It is taken as a reference. System line current, it is taken as a reference here. And initially at the peak value of current, what is the voltage across the capacitor? What is the voltage across capacitor? Like this. This is the case. If ఈ angle some delay, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి మళ్ళీ డిలే చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? Let us assume that this is the reference point, omega d equals 0 axis. డిలే అంటే omega d కు 30 degrees తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది, 60 తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ 70, 80, 90 ఆల్మోస్ట్ హియర్. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ హియర్ టు హియర్ 90 degrees, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి 90 degrees కాబట్టి ఇది 0 తీసుకుంటే ఇట్ మైల్ బి ఆల్మోస్ట్ 30 కాదు 45 వరకు ఉంటుంది. తర్వాత 60, తర్వాత ఇక్కడ at this point 70, almost 90. So by adjusting the delay angle, by changing the delay angle, what will happen here? The VC voltage across the capacitor magnitude decreases. If you keep on changing the gamma value, so the voltage across the capacitor magnitude decreases. From this observation, by changing the gamma continuously, by increasing the gamma turn-off delay angle, what happened is, this is the voltage across the capacitor. The peak value is decreases further. ఇంకా చేస్తుంటే ఇక్కడ తగ్గిపోతుంది, ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడ తగ్గింది, ఎక్కడి నుంచి మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ తగ్గుతుంది. సో ద peak value of the fundamental voltage decreases while changing the gamma. But we can observe clearly whatever the gamma with respect to what are the value of gamma, the having it is positive half cycle and negative cycles, both are equal in the every half cycle. During this cycle this is positive half cycle, during the cycle this is negative cycle. Similarly here to here this is one cycle, here to here. That means we can observe clearly here that by adjusting the alpha gamma turn-off delay angle, so for positive and negative half cycles are both are equal. For identical positive and negative half cycles, it contains only odd harmonics. This voltage across the capacitor waveform contains only odd harmonics because of both our positive half cycles and negative half cycles are equal in this while changing the gamma continuously. అక్కడ మన TCR లో అయితే ఆల్ఫాను కంటిన్యూస్ గా చేంజ్ చేస్తాం. సో బై అడ్జస్టింగ్ ద because of adjusting the alpha, this voltage across the capacitor looks like this one. For example, if you increasing the gamma again, this one. If you increasing the gamma again, this one. So the voltage across the capacitor with having some delay. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఎంత డిలే ఉంది, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి. సో ఈ డిలే చూడండి మారుతూ ఉంది because of if you take as a reference value. So while changing the gamma, definitely we see decreases, and also it is almost in the both the positive cycle and negative half cycles are equal if you neglect the losses. But it contains the odd harmonics if the order of around the, if you derive the expression in examination, no need to derive the expression. VCN voltage across the capacitor at harmonics then is equal to I by omega C into 4 by pi into sin of gamma into cos gamma minus n into cos gamma sin of n gamma by n into n square minus 1. Similarly, as in case of the TCR, what is the current through the reactor? ILN అన్నాం అక్కడ, ILN అని రాసు. ILN is equal to V by omega L 4 by pi because of omega C place to omega L వస్తుంది because of reactor, again capacitor because of GCSC series capacitor into అక్కడ sin alpha because of this is the turn of delay angle, but here alpha, sin alpha cos alpha minus n into cos alpha into sin n alpha by n into n square minus 1, where in both the cases n is there is equal to 2k plus or minus 1, where in both the cases n is equal to 2k plus or minus 2k plus or minus 1, but k is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. From this observation you can conclude that the voltage across the capacitor while increasing the gamma, it contains odd harmonics, especially triple N harmonics are present. In order to eliminate that, we go for several methods like a sequential control of GCSC or a multi-phase system, or otherwise we can use a delta connected GCSC system. So ఏవైతే GCS ఒక్కొక్క వాల్వ్ ఒక డయాగ్రామ్ ఉంటుందో జీసీఎస్సి ఇలా ఉంటుంది కదా, కెపాసిటర్ అండ్ ఇక్కడ జీటీఓ ఉంటుంది. ఇలాంటివి ఒక డెల్టా ఫ్యాషన్ లో కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇలాగ మనం కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఈ ట్రిప్లిన్ హార్మోనిక్స్ అనేది ఎలిమినేట్ అవ్వడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఆర్ బై ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ది పల్స్ నెంబర్ వీ కెన్ reduce the harmonics, but the problem is while increasing the pulse number we also add some transformer, but adding one transformer connection extra kavali, so that is the problem. To avoid that, generally we not go for the transformer connection type of GCSC. We always go for the sequential control of GCSC. So this is about GTO control series capacitor, so VC of N and IC of N. So this is the, so now if you draw these characteristics, so generally the DCSC, finally I will conclude that DCSC can be operated in the two modes, that is a voltage compensation mode, and second is the reactance compensation mode or reactive compensation mode, reactance mode. It operates in two modes, voltage compensation mode and reactance mode. And in the voltage compensation mode, the VA characteristics are like that here. If you draw the current versus voltage here, this is the voltage across the capacitor, and this is the characteristics. Like the current from minimum current to maximum current, this is the minimum current, this is the maximum current here, and this is the shaded portion is the area to be operated, and this is the maximum volt, VC maximum. Here that this is the first mode. During the voltage compensation mode, we are maintaining the voltage constant. It changes the current from minimum to maximum. While the current changes from minimum to maximum current, for a given value of XC here, we are maintaining the voltage constant. That is the voltage compensation mode. From this concept, voltage VC maximum is equal to I minimum into XC, or otherwise XC into I minimum. For a given value of capacitive reactance, we are maintaining the voltage constant for a current changes from minimum to maximum. VC maximum is equal to X into I minimum. Similarly, in the reactance mode, same, if you can draw that one, the XC value changes like that. This is the I maximum and this is the VC maximum. From this concept, we can observe that for reactance mode, we are increasing the reactance of the GCSC of a series capacitor for any value of current from 0 to IC maximum. For any value of current from 0 to maximum, we are increasing the value of XC, this one. From this concept, we can write the VC maximum as I maximum into XC. Because of we can allow the current up to maximum, then we can get the maximum value of capacitance. There are the two modes of operations in the GCSC, that is the voltage compensation mode and reactance mode. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. In the next class, we are going to see the next controllers. Thank you.